In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Airtable Superagent. By the end, you'll know exactly how to go from an idea to a working AI-powered app using Airtable's Omni Builder, all with a simple prompt and just a few clicks. Let's start at the very beginning. Open your preferred web browser and go to airtable.com. You'll get the best experience on desktop, since we'll be using interface elements positioned along the edges of the screen. Make sure you're in the correct workspace where you want your new app to live, and that you have the right permissions to create new items. If you're prompted to sign in, use your usual credentials and continue to your home screen. Once you're in, look toward the bottom left corner of the Airtable window and click Create. This is the gateway to starting anything new in Airtable, from bases to interfaces, and in our case, an AI-assisted app. If you don't immediately see Create, try expanding the sidebar or ensuring you haven't collapsed your workspace view. Clicking Create will open a panel with several ways to start building. From that panel, choose Build an App with Omni. This option launches Airtable's AI Builder, which reads your prompt and scaffolds the structure of your app for you. Think of it as a rapid starting point. Omni analyzes what you want to achieve, then proposes tables, fields, potential interfaces, and other components that align with your description. You're still in control. Omni gives you a draft and you can refine from there. Now it's time to type in the prompt you want to create. This is where clarity pays off. Describe the purpose of your app, who will use it, the kinds of records you'll track, and the outputs you expect. If you can, note the key fields you need, such as dates, statuses, owners, or priorities, and mention any views or summaries you find important. The more precise your language, the better the initial structure will fit your needs. Avoid including private or sensitive information. Instead of real customer names or proprietary data, refer to roles and data types like customer name, contract value, or deadline. If you already know the workflows you want, such as intake to review to approval, say so in plain terms. Clarity in your prompt helps Omni infer the right tables and relationships. When your prompt looks solid, click Build it. Omni will start processing what you wrote and translate it into a draft app. Depending on complexity, you might see a brief preparation phase. This is normal. Airtable is modeling the schema, setting up fields, and where relevant, preparing interfaces that match your intent. Don't worry if it takes a moment. Next, wait for it to load. You'll likely see a spinner or loading state while Omni compiles everything in the background. During this time, it's best not to refresh your browser or click away. If your network is a bit slow, give it an extra beat. Once it's ready, you should see a preview or a confirmation step that summarizes what will be created. Take a quick look to ensure the broad strokes align with your prompt. If something looks off, you can adjust your prompt and regenerate before finalizing. When you're satisfied with the plan, click Build it again to confirm. This final click tells Airtable to create the actual app, including any tables, fields, and interface components the draft proposed. After a brief moment, your new app should open. From here, you can start entering sample records, renaming fields for clarity, tweaking data types, and customizing views to match how your team works. If a field needs to be a single select instead of free text, or a date needs a specific format, make those changes now to set good habits for your data. That's the full flow. Go to Airtable, start a new creation, choose Build an App with Omni, write a clear prompt, click Build it, wait for the draft to compile, and click Build it once more to finalize. With that, you've used Airtable Superagent to transform an idea into a working foundation you can iterate on. Thanks for watching and happy building.